Auzubillahiminash-shaytanir-rajim. Bismillahir-rahmanir-rahim. Assalamu-alaikum. This lecture is from 9 Chemistry, Chapter 1, Introduction to Chemistry. In this lecture, we will study about scientific methods. What are scientific methods? Scientific methods are the controlled systematic investigations that are done to answer the natural phenomena. Phenomena is any fact that is happening around, or you can say रुझान, कोई भी चीज़ जो हो रही होती है इसे phenomena कहा जाता है. And to understand and to elaborate any phenomena, there are some steps in science, and these steps are called as scientific methods. These steps include observation, question, hypothesis, experiment, conclusion, and results. Here we will study each step one by one. So the first step is observation. Something you observe or you view is called observation. कोई भी चीज़ जो आप देखते हैं वो आपकी observation होती है. So to understand this observation, we can have an example of current pandemic condition in which scientists observe people suffering from high fever, cough, shortness of breath. When they observe the mucus from nasopharyngeal cavity. Nasopharyngeal cavity is actually cavity between the nose and the mouth. So when they observe the mucus, so they found some creatures in it. They called those creatures as coronavirus. This is their observation, and it is obvious that whenever you observe anything, a lot of questions arises in our mind. So the first question that arise in our mind is that regarding this condition is how it is spreading, why it is affecting, and etc. These are certain questions that comes in our mind. So the third step is hypothesis. In hypothesis, basically we assume anything scientifically, or you can say it is an intelligent guess. This is not fully approved idea, but it is only a guess, जिसे हम कह सकते हैं तुक्का. Like scientists assumed or scientists guessed that coronavirus is the cause of this pandemic. coronavirus इस pandemic, इस वबा का या इस वबा की वजह है. This is an hypothesis. It is not proved yet. To prove any hypothesis, whether it is correct or not, experiments are performed. So for this, the scientists take some samples. Like in this condition, they took samples from many people that are normal, and the other samples were taken from people who are suffering from this condition or these symptoms. Whatever the results they get, it becomes the conclusion. What they learn from the experiment, it becomes the conclusion. So what they learn in it, so they learn that every person who has cough, fever, and shortness of breath have the creatures in their mucus, while the normal person does not have. After the conclusion, they draw the results. Actually, results verify our hypothesis, whether it is right or wrong. So in this experiment, we found that the corona is the cause of this pandemic. कोरोना कॉज है इस वबा का. कहाँ प्रूव हुआ? एक्सपेरिमेंट में. एक्सपेरिमेंट में किस चीज़ को टेस्ट किया गया? हाइपोथेसिस को. सो दीज आर द स्टेप्स इन दी साइंटिफिक मेथड्स. दीज स्टेप्स कैन बी समराइज्ड एज ऑब्जर्वेशन, समथिंग यू ऑब्जर्व. डिफरेंट पीपल ऑब्जर्व फिनोमेना इन डिफरेंट वेज. हर इंसान का देखने का नज़रिया अलग होता है. एंड फ्रॉम दीज ऑब्जर्वेशन हाइपोथेसिस आर ड्रॉन, यानी कि प्रिडिक्शन करना, किसी चीज़ के बारे में गैस करना. इंटेलिजेंट गैस इज कॉल्ड एज हाइपोथेसिस. व्हेन these hypothesis observations are tested in experiments and they are fully proved, so they become theory. When the theory is tested again and again and found to fit the fact and universally approved by other scientists, जो चीज़, जो थ्योरी, जो अदर साइंटिस्ट, जो पूरे बेसिकली दुनिया भर के साइंसदान अगर किसी बात को प्रूफ कर दें तो वो बन जाती है एक साइंटिफिक लॉ. सो दीज आर द साइंटिफिक मेथड. दैट्स ऑल. जज़ाकल्लाह.